Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Nissan Titan XD. Under the hood we have a 5.6 liter V8 engine and a 7-speed automatic transmission. It is in gray, and you do have that bug reflector up front there. You got the Nissan badging, as well as you have your park sensors and your tow hooks. You also have your lights hanging out right there, and your fog lights right down there as well. Coming around to the side here, we do have our 20-inch rims with our general brand tires. Lots of tread left on them, and we got the Titan XD badging with our running boards, and our mirrors hanging out right there as well with the turning signals, and they are heated. Coming around to the back here, we do have that Nissan badging, the Titan XD, the SV 4x4, and you do have your parking sensors back here, as well as you have your backup camera, and you do have a cover on it, and there is lots of room in there, and it does have the box liner on it, so nothing will be getting scratched up. We have our keys here, so we do have our 2 presses to unlock all the doors. We have our lock there, remote start, and our panic button. And on the door here does also have the button to unlock it. So let's unlock it and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks. You got your handle here and some storage down here with a place for a water bottle. It looks awesome here. The cloth seats are very comfortable, and you do have the controls over the seats here, so backward and forward, tilt and lumbar support. And then up here we do have our controls over our lights, so our auto, off, daytime running lights, and low beams. In-cabin light control here, fog lights, our AC there, as well as the cargo light. And then up here we got the controls over our turning signals and high beams. Okay, let's start up here. Foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up for us. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and odometer, as well as fuel gauge and engine temperature. Right in the center there, it does tell us how many kilometers we have, which is only 13,000, not too bad at all. Now you can switch that guy around in the middle to your different options. So you do have your off-road options, your auxiliary gauges. You also have your 4x, which one you're in. Then you got your trip and your fuel economy. You have which way you're facing, your radio options, driving aids, and then your tire pressure, as well as your warnings and your different settings. Now that is controlled from right here. You also have your source and your enter and all those, volume up and down, and Bluetooth options, horn in the center, and then cruise control options right there. Gear shift is hanging out right here, and when we are in reverse, we have the ever useful backup camera keeping us nice and safe. We do have the eject for our CD player, and then you have your volume up and down with the power, Sirius XM, you have your FM and AM there, CD, aux cord, you have your navigation right here and your map. You have your camera right there, then you have your selector, and then you have your back, apps, your phone options, and your skip. And then down here we do have our defrost over here with a dual climate system for you and your passengers, so you can have different levels of hot and cold. You also have your off, your power up and down, mode, AC, and circulation. And then down here we got the traction control, park sensors, we have our hazard lights, and our blind spot detection. We do have our different options down here for our trailer brake, our auxiliary cord, and our USB plug-in. Heated seats, some storage right here. You have your cup holders. You do have your armrest here that doubles as a storage container. Lots of room in there. Got some more cup holders right there. And then you do have a locking glove box here with your owner's manual inside of it. And up top you do have your sunglass holder and your control over the windows in the back. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door you got your handle, control of your windows, a handle here, and some storage down here. It looks awesome back here as well. Very spacious. You do have the 3 seats. You can fold this guy down here, and you got an armrest with some cup holders. You can also fold the seats up just like this. And you do have some storage just underneath there, and these guys do fold forward as well, giving you a flat surface to put stuff on top of. And to lean it back down, you just pull this guy, and it folds right back down. And there's our 5.6 liter V8 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2017 Nissan Titan XD. If you want to come and take a close look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.